Update: Tornado watch has been cancelled for all counties. Storms with gusty winds and heavy rain remain in the forecast through Tuesday night. Be aware of flash flooding and use caution on the roadways. Update: 8:50 a.m. A line of strong storms is beginning to cross the Mississippi River into Tennessee. Update: a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the following areas: Blytheville R, Manila R, Caraway R, Gosnell R, Steele Mo, Caruthersville Mo, Hayti Mo, Hayti Heights, Missouri. Update: hail and high winds up to 55 miles per hour can be expected in Dyersburg, Union City, Tiptonville until 6:30 a.m. Update: Dunklin, Pemiscot, Clay, Mississippi, Craighead, Greene counties are under a severe thunderstorm warning until 6:15 a.m. Memphis, Tennessee, a tornado watch has been issued for Savannah. Severe weather will threaten parts of the Mid-South Tuesday as high winds and heavy rain roll through. According to the National Weather Service, storms will be more prevalent north of I-40 from early to mid-morning Tuesday. Download the Ray Weather app and follow along with us on News Channel 3's outlets throughout the day for additional weather updates.